Is your handwriting sometimes slanted or not straight when using the S Pen? Did you know Samsung Note has a hidden tool that quietly fixes that? This feature, called Smart Guideline, when it's on, it will help you write straighter and more neatly by showing a temporary guideline under your handwriting. It only appears while you are writing and disappears when you stop, so your note stays clean. To use this feature, first open Samsung Note, open any note or create a new one. Now tap the Handwriting Help icon at the bottom, then tap Setting. Here you will see a few options, and the first one is Smart Guideline. Turn it on. Next, remove your S Pen. And make sure it's in pen mode. Then start writing. As soon as you begin writing, a soft guideline appears under your handwriting to help keep your writing straight. When you stop, the guideline disappears automatically, so your note stays clean. It's simple, very helpful, and it doesn't change your writing style. It just keeps it neat. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.